We're gonna have some new Enduro fun today. We're going to a new place, still gonna keep it quite chill because still a noob, but hopefully we're gonna have some fun. Let's go!
Back, new day, new backcountry road. We're gonna go explore some new places today, see what we can find. Bit more chilly today. Last time was super hot inside the helmet and on the body and everything. Today is gonna be a little bit colder, I think, but hopefully the sun will peek out in a little bit. Oh fuck. Ah. Ja då. Oh. Jo jävlar. Ah. Ja. Fan, jag tror att kopplingen böjde sig lite.
Styret lite, hjulet och vrida sig.
Yeah, so I did my first fall today. It wasn't too bad, a pretty soft fall. I was gonna try to put my foot out, but there wasn't anything to put it on. So I just fell down and the bike fell over. It was kind of soft and mossy, so it was okay. Now this is some real backcountry roads in the middle of the forest. Still a little bit snow here on the road. A little bit mushy. Okay, okay. Okay, so we found a little trail in the woods here. It's a snowmobile trail in the winter, and in the summer we can have some fun. Lots of rocks. Shoot. Rollers, motherfucker! Oh shit! That's tiring for the legs. Oh, we're going back this way. Back to the rollers. Man, this suspension is fucking epic. Roll, 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 roll. Okay, now we found a little trail track. Let's see if I can get up this hill. Ooh, that was fucking close to the tree. Okay. New hill battle. Okay, this one was easier. Outside the berm. And the sand is slippery. Hit the berm. Woo. Need to practice that. Woo. Oh. Ah. Fuck. I missed the berm. Man, I thought I had pretty good cardio, but this is hard. Here we go again. Almost fell off. Woo. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I gotta rest a little bit. Oh. My fingers are killing me. I'm one with nature. I think Toby's over there somewhere, laughing at me. He's so noob. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. No, I'm just kidding. He's a very good sensei. Sensei Toby. Arigato gozaimashita. But these fingers. Fucking tired. Here he comes. Okay, time to head back home. My forearms are dead. I'm too weak. Back to the berms. Oh, I have legs like springs after this day. Oh, and we're out. Now we just take the little back roads back home. That was a good 2.5 hour stretch. Okay, that's it for today. We're almost back. See you in the next episode.